Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by updating firmware and installing the Stream Deck app. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, plug the device into a reliable USB-C port or Ethernet adapter so the board receives steady power. Create a new profile for this setup and assign an initial set of actions. Switch scenes, run macros, or launch apps so you have immediate control. Make sure to name the profile for quick recall. This keeps your layout organized and reproducible across sessions. Now you configure multi-action sequences to automate complex tasks. This saves time and reduces mistakes. Once a sequence is set, add precise delays and conditional steps so transitions stay smooth, especially when switching scenes or muting audio. Integrate OBS, your audio mixer, and system hotkeys through official plugins for direct control. This links your software state to the deck. Make sure to customize icons and folder structure so you can find actions by site, which speeds up live op. Finish by testing every button in a dry run. Verify scene changes, audio mutes, and external app launches behave as expected. Once confirmed, export and back up the profile to local storage or cloud so you can restore settings quickly. If you run into problems, like unresponsive keys or plugin failures, first try unplugging and using a different USB port, then reflash firmware from the official app. These steps fix most connectivity and software mismatches and get you back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.